So hi guys, so this is my CVS haul for this week. So I don't know what happened to me. Um, I keep paying a lot on the toothpaste and toothbrush. So I'll tell you in a minute about this. So this is buy 3 get 5. So and then I did the spend 40 get 10, which is the Pampers and the Gain. And then the Nivea, you spend 20 get 10. And then on the Neutrogena, uh, buy 3 get 10 extra bucks. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4. I should have not grabbed this because I'll tell you now. Because this too is regular price and this is $3.99. Now I don't know what happened to the app or something, or what happened to me today, but I keep paying more regular price on these toothpaste. I have that I have 1,000 in my basement. So this is regular price, $6.29 each, but I swear guys, I swear I scanned this and this is $3.99 on the app. So I'm like, there's only one of this and one of this. And then I grabbed one of this. I grabbed 2 of this because there's a separate $2 digital coupon and 5 of 3 digital coupon that it will apply on these 3. Now it deduct that, but then I paid one of this and I paid one of this, and then what's that, I paid this too. So it's like this is $6.29 plus $3.99 is $6.789. So I spent like $10, like almost $10 on this too, which is frustrating. I don't know what happened to me this time, but I swear I scanned it. It's $3.99, but then when I came on the register, it changed it. But it's my fault because I did not complain about it. It's just that the cashier that's on my CVS, and there's only one CVS in my town, is the one that really don't like me. So because I do coupon. But then it did deduct the 5 of 3 and 2 digital coupon for this. So, but then I did not get the 5 extra buck because this too is not included on the sale. So this is the only one. So I have to grab 2 of this more, but then I decided not to because I'm pissed. So I paid $6.29 for each. So I'm gonna tell you about that. I'm gonna let you see my receipt right away. So when spend 40 get 10, so you're gonna see the Pampers. So the Pampers is sale for $10, which is the lowest price I've seen since this year. So 2 for 20. And then you're gonna see the Oral-B, the toothbrush is $3.99. So that's supposed to be on this toothbrush, but then you're gonna see in my receipt that it's regular price. And I did not get the 5 extra buck. And then the Gain flings, I grabbed 2 and then I printed a 1 printable coupon on pg.com. I got one of that, 2, and then 1 liquid and 1 dryer sheet. So 21 something on the 4 Gain, and then 20 is like around $41.98. So I am exactly over on the 40 get 10. And then the Neutrogena oil is $6.79, and the wipes is $6.79 too. So I thought this is gonna be $7.29, but then when I saw the price, it's cheaper on my store, so I grabbed that. And then the 3 Nivea, $7.79. This is the one that's, raised the price, $7.79. So this one, spend 20 get 10, but then I decided not to because I'm using Nivea as my body wash, and there's some people that grab 1 men Nivea, but no one's in my household using that, so I grabbed 3, $7.79. And then of course I have my daughter again, so she needs to buy something. The toy, $3.49, which is this toy that I believe if I'm with her all the time, every week in TVS, she's gonna buy each one of this until it's gone. So $3.49 for this. And then this is the saddest part. So the Crest Advance, this one is $6.29. It's not included, so be careful for that. I'm just telling you. And then the other Crest Pro Health is $6.29 too. I swear I scanned this on my app, is $3.99. I'm like, oh my god, $3.99, and then it did not on the registered. And it's my fault too that I didn't like tell the cashier about it. I just should have like avoid this 3 and just this, but then just like I told you, the one that cashier that's in there is the one that don't like me, and I don't wanna, I really don't. I should have as a customer, but I don't wanna like do things because she's been going on the self-checkout 3 times because of the bag and the stuff. The one printable coupon for the Gain flings that did not scan, won't not scan, so the cashier needs to do it. So what she did is she override it and pushed the $1 off, which is nice of her. But then the Crest, I paid $6.29 for this boat, which is, I don't really need it because there's 1,000. I thought it's gonna be free for me after the extra buck, but then that's it. So it is what it is again, just like the Walgreens haul. So I paid that. I didn't get the extra buck. So you're gonna see I have 2 printable coupon for the Neutrogena. I printed in coupons.com, and then the one coupon that I told you that she override it for the Gain flings that it won't scam. And then a glitch is the Oral-B, the 5 of the 3, and then the $2 digital coupon. If that's the exact price, the $3.99, it should have been really free for me, but then it's not. And then I have the three digital coupon for 2 for the Pampers. Of course, Pampers is always. And then I have $3 of one digital coupon for one of the mine Neutrogena. And then all the dollar digital coupon for the other 3 flings. The one flings, the dry sheet, and the liquid. So I have 20 off of 80 purchase, so all of it is like over 80. And then there's a CRT for Neutrogena for everyone, and then I only have $16.65 extra buck. So subtotal is $43.11 plus the tax. Oh my god, $7.23. So my total is $50.34. I have $10 cash that I pushed in, and then I pay the rest with my debit card, which is $40.34. But then I got back 10 for doing the spend 40 get 10, and then I got back the 10 for doing the buy 3 get 10 on the Neutrogena. And then I got back 10 for doing the Nivea, which is spend 20 get 10. And then I, just like I always said over and over and repeated on the beginning of this video, that I did not get the 5 register reward. So this is $6.29, so 12, 13, 14, 15 something, almost like 16 for all of this. Deduct 7, so 7, so 8. I paid $8 for 3 of this. I don't know what happened to me, but I overpay for this. I don't want to, but it is what it is. what I'm saying. So I got back 30 plus I got back, I'm gonna put it somewhere in here. So I bought a rebate for Nivea, $2 each for each one. So and then there's like 50 cents when you submit a receipt. So I got back $6.50. So I'm gonna let you see somewhere here in the screen that I got that. And then so 650 plus 30 extra back that I got. So 50.34 minus 36.50 that I got back is $13.84 for all of it, which is still fine with me. It's still a little bit, I might be paying a little bit more than that if I grab the right one on this. I swear they put it here just like the Walgreens, they put it on somewhere, but I scan it. It's still like $3.99 for all of it. But when I came on the self-checkout, it's regular price. Boom, babaram boom. So that's it. So this $13.84 is the 8 something that I paid for the 3 of that. So $13.84 plus the tax is really expensive. So $13.84 for all of it, or 86 cents each, which still good, but I don't want to really pay 8 for all of it. It got me frustrated about it. I don't know what happened to me, guys, today. It's just that some of Toothpaste and Toothbrush is my failed deal today or this week. So that's it, guys. So 86 each for all of it. Should have been a little bit free, or like a little bit, $1 or something, or 2 or 3, I don't know. But then if this worked, should have been better, but then I'm not complaining. Oh, before I go, they spit me out again, 20 off of 80 your next purchase. I don't think I'm gonna do it because there's, according to the ad that I seen online and when I'm looking at it, the only thing that I want is the Pampers, the Gain, the Nivea, the Neutrogena, which is really good. And I should have grabbed this. This is my regret. But then it is what it is. I always tell. So that's it, guys. This is my CVS haul. Thank you for watching, and for bad and worse, thank you, and I'll see you next week for the next one. So bye.